Hello friends, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how I twist strand twist my hair to last me longer. I had already started twisting my hair. I spray my hair with water to bring moisture back to it and for easy management. After that, I separate and apply my DIY whipped shea butter mix and pat it ready to start twisting. Because I plan to wear this twist for a few weeks and later for crochet braid, I am starting with braid first and switching to twist strand twist soon after. I am going to be going over how I separate the hair so it's ready to twist later. I part two smaller sections equivalent to the one part, start the braids, and later combine the two smaller sections when I'm ready to start twisting. There are a few reasons why I opted for this protective styling. One, I'm able to wear it to work. Two, I'm starting class soon. I don't think I will have enough time for my hair. I'll be able to have this protective styling that will allow me to be able to moisturize my hair, apply moisture like this, spraying water to it. I think this is the best option for me for right now. I hope this video is useful to you. Please let me know your thoughts on the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope I see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye. I really wish my hair don't have to share so I can keep all my hair, I guess. Anyway.